Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will be unboxing Xiaomi instant hot water dispenser. So as you guys see, I already have the box on my table and I'm going to open it. Let me just get it out. And that's the bottom. And there's the protection. Give me a second. I'll just go. That's the protection right now. And last, there is the dispenser. As you will see, guys, that's the dispenser. I will just put this right to my side to get a better look on the dispenser right now. So as you see, I have those 3 pieces that come in the box, and I'm going to open from the foil the dispenser, carefully open it. I just did it upside down, but it doesn't matter. It should be like that, I think. And as you see, that's the dispenser. And there's the instructions. And that's the bottom. We should get the bottom placed underneath the dispenser, so it comes probably you just need to plug that thing in as you see. And I will check if there's anything behind in the box. No, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.